Those are stockings. You see a heart? Can you find Santa? Where's Santa? Where's Santa? You're not scared. Addie, is that Santa right there? Where are you going? Can you find a star? Where's the star? Addie, look at the top of the tree. Is that a star? Is a star all the way up there? You see that star? You need tippy toes? Do you see a star? Is it high? There's another star, you're right.
No one.
Another one.
Happy.
What? Happy? Oh, you see coffee. Yeah, it used to be there, but we turned this tree around, huh? Another star, you're right.
Hi.
It's high. Is it tall?
Coffee.
Is it a tall tree? Do you want to go turn it on? Turn the lights on?
Like this. It's high.
It is high. Do you need help?